Hello all, welcome back to AKF Logics. In the previous class, we have discussed about how to clone the VSD-Flow into the virtual machine. We have cloned the VSD-Flow folder into the our virtual machine. So I have told you, right, what I have told you. So many tools were installed into the system, but I haven't showed you, right? So I'm going to show in this lecture what are the tools those are uh, installed by us using the previous comments. Okay, so I told you guys to install the tools in a single sitting, right? So I don't know how many of you are going to install the tools in a single sitting, but this is the video for the those people who haven't this some part of the video. Okay, this initial part of the video for those who are going to install the tools in different time slots at different days. Okay, so after entering into your virtual machine, go to the home. Okay, before that you need to watch all the previous videos, otherwise you can't able to understand what I'm going to say you. Okay, after going to the home, then click on VSD-Flow. Okay, now you need to guys open the terminal in the VSD-Flow. Okay, you need to open the terminal in the VSD-Flow. So if you are going to see the directory in which we are going to have is VSD-Flow. For those who are going to install the tools in a single sitting, there will be already VSD-Flow over here. If it is not going to visible to you, then you are going to do some blunder mistakes while installation of tools. Okay, those who are going to install the tools in a breaking manner at different time slots, I recommend you guys to see the directory. Okay, see the directory every time. Okay, in which directory we are going to give the command, you need to see the directory. Okay, so previously we have uh, run the shell script, that is open source eda tools.sh, which is taken from the which is available in the vsd flow. We have given the permission to it to write and read, and then uh, to read and write it. Okay, so we are going to see whether our tools are installed or not, and what are the tools that we have installed till now so far. Okay, for that first tool we are going to check whether it is installed or not. To see it, we need to click the qflow. Qflow is the tool which is the uh, qflow. Okay, whether the tool is installed or not, let us see. Okay, just a second. Okay, to see whether the tool is installed or not, what you guys need to uh, do is, okay, is my screen visible? Okay, to increase the size of the screen or the font which you are going to see in the screen, you need to click on control shift and then plus. Okay, you need to give qflow GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Okay, you need to give it, then you are going to see the qflow. Okay, just a second, the tool will be visible. Okay, this is the qflow manager. Okay, uh from preparation to cleanup, okay, everything will be done over here. You need to uh what you need to do is, you need to select the verilog source file from this verilog source file. Okay, this is the place where you need to give the verilog source file, and you need to give the module name of that particular verilog code, and then you need to select the technology file. Okay, which technology you are going to use. Okay, after selecting it, you just click on run. Okay, after clicking on run, in every process you are going to see what is going to happen, and finally you are going to get the GDS. Okay, uh, which we are going to send to the fab units. Okay, this is one type of tool which is basically managing the all the tools in a single place. Okay, this is the most important tool which is helpful for us, that is qflow. Next, let me discuss, let me see whether other tools as well, whether they are installed or not. Okay, just a second. The next tool that we are going to check whether it is installed or not, that is magic. Okay, magic is a layout tool. Okay, we are going to perform layout. So click magic and then enter. So you can see the magic layout is got installed, and we are going to see the pop-up window over here. Okay, the magic is installed. Okay, just click on into. Okay, next tool that we are going to see whether it is installed or not, that is iverilog. That is across verilog. It is a where we are going to write our verilog code. In iverilog we are going to write verilog code. Okay, the place where we are going to write the verilog code, or the place where we are going to do the simulation, okay, is iverilog. Just click on iverilog. So just a second, I think I have entered the wrong command. I have entered the correct command only. Okay, iverilog is also working. There is no source file. Okay, I haven't mentioned any file right after the iverilog, so that it is showing like that. Okay, iverilog is also working. Next tool that we are going to check, that is netgen. That is netgen. Okay, the next tool that we are going to see is netgen. Yes, this is also working. You can see the pop-up over here. Just click on into. Okay, after tool that we are going to see is, next tool that we are going to see is Yosys, which is a synthesis tool. Okay, yeah, the Yosys also is going to is also working. Okay, it is also installed. So to exit the Yosys, you just click the type the exit and then click on enter. Next tool that we are going to check whether it is installed or not is, yeah, I think we have checked all the tools. Okay, so far. So there is some other tools that we are going to install. Okay, okay, those things I'm going to discuss in the next video. Okay, so I'm going to discuss those things in the next video. Thank you.